Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are keeping well wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a short video about organic farming. I'll specifically be talking about my chicken. Have a look at them. I usually let them out so that they can come and feed on the grass. Yeah, after feeding them with their usual feeds, I let them out. I hope they let me take the video because now they are running all over. The purpose of letting them out is so that they can feed on this. It makes their meat very sweet and firm. Here they are. They're moving a lot, so they're really not allowing me to do a proper video, but I'll try to capture what I can. The others are really enjoying the grass. The rest are very young, so I don't let them out. Yeah. They are super enjoying themselves. I'll very soon convert this one into meat. And I really look forward to rewarding myself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. They are all gone. Have a good afternoon.